Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make chicken broccoli soup. I've added the ingredients in the description box below if you want to get it on Amazon. It's a simple meal that can last for days when you're too tired to cook every day. If you're a fan of chicken drumsticks like myself, go ahead and buy a few pieces and add it into a pot of water like so. The more water you add, the more soup you get. Get it to boiling high for 30 minutes. While you wait, chop up a few pieces of garlic cloves and put them in the pot. Next, add a pinch of coarse ground black pepper, salt, kick in chicken seasoning, and you're done. Cover it up and leave it to simmer after 30 minutes have completed. Then wait for another 30 minutes and scoop out the top fatty layer, if there is any, with a spoon. Add your broccoli in and leave it for 10 minutes as you stir and you're done. Feel free to do a taste test before serving and add more seasoning if needed. Let me know how yours turns out. If you like more of these videos, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so it'll motivate me to make more videos like these. Thanks for watching.